So it's how cold today? I guess I better start the truck.
Warning. The following program contains a Canadian redneck who doesn't quite know what he's doing, coarse language, and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
Good as that doing? Okay, so friggin' it's winter. It's New Year's Eve big times. Fuck you, look, you can tell. Shit's. Let's take a look at this. Like, look, it's. Minus 24 is frig, so let's freaking one of these. Maybe it'll open, maybe it's frozen, I don't know. Okay, so well, that's great. But before we do that, click. Where'd my gun go? Why do I always put these places? Anyways, where's the boat? So we gotta give her a prime for a good time. As for when you don't want to rebuild your car for the 19th time. Oh yeah. Okay. That was about 10. Oh. Why would you use a block heater? She needs a little help. Everybody's favorite friend. See, the top's already removed for easy access. Alright, let's send her to the moon. A little bit left. Come on, you old bitch. Sweet, that took less than 5 minutes. You're a hooer. Leave a bit pressed. You're a hooer. There, feed her until she chokes. Like I said, she'll go every day. You just gotta give her. Who needs a block heater? The old plant 6 will take her big times. You know it's a good day when you didn't send a fucking piston into a low Earth orbit. So happy friggin' New Year's to you. There's a cold start. Why not? Till next time. Happy New Year's. Eat shit and brap on.